CNC Solutions is specialized in the subcontracting design and manufacturing of components and spare parts of high precision and complexity. Our clientele includes companies from various industrial sectors, such as defense, shipping, medical equipment, research and development, high-tech industries, pharmaceuticals, and others. Our company's growth created the need for an ERP solution able to manage effectively our sales and production processes. Our main objective was to find a solution that would cover all our future needs as well. With SAP Business One, we achieved more than 50% reduction in order processing and production costs, as well as 55% in time saving. At the same time, we increased our productivity by 25%. Our production is monitored and evaluated online, and our inventory management is improved. Document management is automated, and we can get online BI reporting by using SAP Business Objects Lumira. With the implementation of SAP solution, we can now offer to our customers even better support experience. Alexander Moore proved to be our reliable partner and helped us to implement effectively SAP Business One, a flexible solution with multiple modules which fully met all our expectations.